Viewers, please subscribe my channel. You know what? This time I have come up with a short video on the restoration of an old iron box. You can see the iron box. It's in a broken condition. It's very old. It's something like 60 years old, and it's made of brass. It's a brass material, and but you can see that you cannot understand that what material it is made of, because it is very like black in color. The handle has broken, it has come out, and some of the parts you can see it's very dark blackish. It doesn't even look like iron. It is a now it was found in this condition, and I have tried to restore it, but I don't have the video of the restoration process, because at that time I was not able to record it. But I have brought some pictures how it looked before and after the restoration process, how it came out. Now this looking very black. You can see some of the hinges has gone, and some aluminium wire is used to tie it, and it consists of two parts. The handle, you can see it is broken. See, it's very dark in color. It's black because of the coal, or the charcoal that is used as a fuel inside this iron box to heat the iron, and that had made this thing look so dull, dark. And you can see the handle, the wooden part it's broken. It came off. Now these are the things which I use for bringing back the color of this iron box. This is brass, so you will get it in the market. This is vinegar, ordinary vinegar that you buy from stores. This is salt, ordinary salt. You can use your salt, and these are two brushes, that bristles. One is steel bristle and the other one is brass bristle. This is again another metal polish, and this is, it's Colgate, that is toothpaste. So these are the several things which I use to bring back the shine and glory of that iron box and make it look like this. These are the only things that I use, and of course I use some polish on the wooden part. Now I used all these things. It actually took 2-3 weeks for me, because I did it personally, and 2-3 weeks, whenever I get time, I used to apply all these things on this mirror, wash it over and over again. All kinds of materials were used on this. Whatever I got at hand, I used it. But I think the materials, or the cleaning agents which worked or which did the job, was that vinegar and salt combination. The vinegar, you have to take a portion of vinegar and put some salt into that, keep it for some 5 minutes, and let it react. After that, you can apply it on this material. It looked very black earlier. Now I have applied it on this several, not once but several times, because it was so rusty. It was looking so black that I had to apply this mixture over this iron box several times, and lot of energy was spent on this scrubbing, and finally I could bring back the shine and glitter on the iron box. Now about the wooden handle, that also was broken, and it was not looking that good. So I have to take it, I had to sand it several times. I had to apply some base coat on that, and then I applied wood polish on that. 2-3 coatings of wood polish brought back the shine and glossy look on that wooden handle. Then I had to buy 2 pairs of brass screws, so that I can fix that. It already came out, so I had to fix it back into onto that handle. So I had to buy two pairs. Two I use for fixing this handle back onto the iron box, and two as hinges. Already I told you an aluminium wire was used as a hinge, and I took it out, and then I fixed this. You can see that brass screws, nut and bolt I used inside that, and fix it, because you can open this iron box, and so that you can load it with charcoal, and you can use it as an iron. So it's really now it's looking very shiny. All this shine and gloss was brought back with hours of work on this old iron. And this is a brush I was talking about. This is a the wire brush, and this one is that particularly the one with which have the brass bristles. This was the one actually which brought back the shine. This brush was actually used for buffing and not for cleaning. I used this brush on the surface of the iron box several times, and slowly I started getting back the shine and that golden color on it. Now see, these are the brass nuts I was talking about. I replaced that old broken aluminum wire with this brand new brass nuts, and now they are very strong and stable. See, you can see from outside, so it looks very natural, and I have used it. And this is the chamber where you load the charcoal or the coal, whatever you use, and inside it that burning charcoal is used, and you close the lid, and your iron will start getting heating. This is the final product. So look at the shine, and I hope you remember how it looked in the beginning. Now these are the small ventilators which sucks in oxygen, and see the handle and the polish, it looks very natural. So the color is back. So I never expected that I will get this original, that golden flashy fresh look back, but for me also it was a great surprise. I never expected this outcome. See, it looks so shiny. It looks like it's made of gold. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. We'll be back soon. See you soon. Thank you.